Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. All right, man. What's up? What? All right, guys. What's up and what's good, man? It is your host with the most, Paul Can 2, and I'm back at you with a brand new video. Now, you guys had seen in yesterday's video, I struck out on 2 different occasions trying to acquire the Tommy for your mommy kicks. Now, before I get into all that shit, on yesterday's video, I gotta address a couple things. Number 1, the sus squad. Actually, that'll be number 2. You dig? Cause y'all the shit. But number 1, man, you guys know I always read the comments you guys left, and pretty much all the comments yesterday on pretty much everything across social media were RIPX. So yeah, man, rest in peace to a legend, for real, for real. All I can think about is that Tupac song, man.
How many brothers fell victim to the streets? Rest in peace, young nigga. There's a heaven for you.
But yeah, man, so shout out Tupac, and then back to the lecture at hand. There also was the usual fuckery in the comments. My boy Chase Phelps, oh, Michael Phelps' younger brother, or maybe accidental kid, said, Paul's more of a homosexual aunt to me, not a father. Hey, it is what it is, bitch. But yeah, guys, today I have a very special sneaker unboxing, and this caught me completely off guard. I was blindsided by my beautimous caramel morsel of a sexy ass shorty.
Ooh, baby, I love you.
She bestowed a random ass blessing upon my spirit. It came in the form of this Antonia box, all tied up. I don't know what Antonia is other than the name of my homeboy's mom, but dude, when she pulled up on me, she had this giant box. She had been hinting all week that something was coming for me. I didn't know what it was. I'd be like assless chaps, some fucking strap on, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what it was, but I just figured it was not good for me or for my posterior. But, what? But basically, man, she came through with this giant box, and I unveiled what it was yesterday in the car. She wanted to see my reaction, and I was so blessed, elated, and stoked to actually see what this was. So I had to go ahead and slip the ribbon off all sensual like. This box is like 100% magnetic, and inside is where the true revelation occurs. Boom! Yo, you guys see this shit, right? She got me the Tommy jeans, Tommy for your damn mommy sneaker heater that I failed at getting twice, bruh. So without further ado, guys, I just gotta pop the seal and keep it real on this ting on one time for the one time. This box is absolutely flaming wavy though. But taking the lid off, dude, you got the Tommy Trill figure, the Tommy for your mommy clean ass papel all up inside the box. As you reveal it, boom, a Tommy flag dust bag, straight up bars. And inside, the true gems for the win. Dude, she hooked it up with the throwback Tommy Hilfiger sneaks. Now you guys know, if y'all watched yesterday's video, I'm gonna keep mentioning it, go peep that shit. Basically, I ordered these twice, and both times Tommy Hilfiger said, oh, we're sorry, we thought we had more stock than we did, and they canceled my shit. And all I wanted were some fucking kicks. But yeah, man, these are an absolutely amazing sneaker in my humble opinion. Being the thrift guy, being into all this vintage wear, all the Tommy clothes on these hoes, you guys already know that these had to be a cop for the collection. Bruh. First of all though, I mean, I don't know, I'm gonna break down the details, but I just wanna tell you guys, first and foremost, these look very sexy, but the quality on them is high-key very, very questionable. I don't know like if they use the same material they used in the 90s, but low-key I feel like if you went into like a sweatshop and they had the whole like tray of materials that you guys could dig through and pick out, that Tommy literally picked out the worst shit in this bitch. Like I know for a fact that a lot of 90s shoes have like this outsole that's like, it crumbles over time, and they definitely use that same material. So I get that they're staying authentic, but at the same time, I'm like, bruh, you are absolutely tripping. Why in the hell would you use that same material that falls apart? Also, dude, the laces, they just feel like worse than Walmart quality. Like if you go into Walmart and you see some $10 shoes, they have better quality laces than these gems right here. But I mean, aside from that, aesthetically, these shits go hard on the boulevard. Obviously, you have the Tommy flag on the nice strap. It has a zipper, and when undid, inside you got all the lace work. You have a big Tommy for your mama flag, and then all the details are in this lime green that looks absolutely delicious. It's like a damn limesicle in this bitch. My favorite. You also got the nice Black Panther suede going on. I definitely feel like this is a synthetic suede because again, it feels extremely low quality. You also got the patent leather with like the shark tooth type of diamond half triangular embroidery. You also got Tommy Hilfiger all up in the outsole. That obviously is one of the coolest parts of the shoe. Then you got the Tommy flag on the top of the toe. On the back, you have the Tommy flag with this dope like paracord again in that green. Now the bottoms of these bitches are also very sensual. It also has that green in this ting and the Tommy jeans flag right on the bottom. Now I would throw these on feet. However, it's raining outside, and with the way the quality of the suede is, I really don't want to risk it for the biscuit in terms of getting these wet right now. But yeah, dude, honestly, bro, I really gotta shout out my shorty for hooking it up with these. Like, I don't know, I'm not usually big on gift giving and even receiving gifts. Like, hands down, bro, probably in the last 20 years, this is the best shit anyone has ever given me. So it really meant the world to me, bro. Like, I don't know, bro, like I'm cared for. I don't know if I deserve it. I do be laying down that good pipe with no plumber's feet. I also just, I don't know, man. Like, I just never would expect this young buck to throw $150 down on your boy because she saw me strike out, just saw me bitching, moaning, and complaining about not getting these shoes. And she came through, ordered these straight from Europe, bro. Like, these are from the Italian foothills, bro, like where olives are. So I'm just elated, I'm very stoked, I'm happy. I'm so glad I can show you guys these shoes. The only downfall is the biggest size was size 11. I did try these on yesteryear, and they did kind of fit your boy. They were a little bit tight in the toe region, but other than that, man, they are a gem for the win. I don't know what it is, but recently, man, these brands been releasing shoes that your boy has wanted. Like, I got the Sean Wotherspoon Air Maxes, and those were absolutely fragrantly flamey. And then now I got the Tommy Hilfiger Jordans. All I need now are the Travis Scott 4s, and my life will be complete in these streets. So yeah, man, let me know what you guys think of the shoe. It's probably not for everyone, but for anybody who's into vintage wear or vintage clothes, you already know that this shoe is quintessential to my existence. Stay tuned, there gonna be a lot of outfits with these coming up. Peace, suckers. Yeah.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I rooster. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.